Breakfast sandwiches, let's go! Alright, how's everyone doing out there? Great, good to hear from you guys. Today, it's breakfast sandwiches. We're going to be doing some breakfast sandwiches with some bagels from a bagel place in the Bronx. It's freshest New York bagels that money can buy. It really doesn't get any better than this, folks. And we've got some cheese. We've got a 4-cheese Mexican. We've got a cheddar jack, which sounds like it is 2 cheeses, so 6 cheese. And then some Swiss. I mean, might as well use it up. There's like 2 slices left, so let's just go for it. We've got our bagels. I already went over that. Eggs, very important. Just some spices, crushed red, and some of that ghost pepper sauce you know and love. We got pepper, garlic, and bacon. I don't know why everything is so spread out. I really need to learn about how to... Step 1, bacon in the pan! I put 6 strips of bacon because I'm really feeling it today. I feel like I've earned it. So, toss it in there, give it a... like a medium high. Like a 8. I know a lot of my fans out there actually have the exact same stovetop as me, so just follow exactly where it is on my thing here. Right about at the 8. Step 2, cut your bagels. I like to cut them and have just leave a little piece of attachment on the end there, so I know exactly how to line them up again when I close them up. And then we're going to grab our cheeses, all 7 flavors of cheese, and we're going to toss it right on there, and then we're going to toss it in the toaster oven so that gets nice and good and melty while the bacon does its thing over here. Alright, it looks like I can really only fit 1 bagel at a time in here, so that's what we're going to do. We got our first guy all cheesed up real nice, just hit that thing. Bacon's starting to do a little sizzle, so we're going to give him a flip. Whee! 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 And then you just gotta wait for the bacon to do its thing. Wait for this guy to get all melty goodness. Veggies come later. We'll get there. Just be patient, my friends. Bagel number 1 is looking beautiful. Oh boy, look at that. That's a handsome baby. I got number 2 here ready to go in, and bacon's about mostly halfway done. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Play it by ear. That's what cooking's all about. Improvisation, you know. Just gotta be on your toes at all times. Lovely day we're having, isn't it? Is everyone doing all right out there? You doing good today? Good to hear. Now I'm getting a question in the comments that said, why am I making 2 bagels, Matt? You're by yourself. You're alone. And this person clearly underestimates my ability to eat copious quantities of food. So screw off, man. They're both for me, obviously. Bacon's done. If anything, it's a little overdone. I kind of looked away for a bit too long. That's fine. You're gonna want to grab these guys, lay them out to cool off on this paper towel. But make sure you shake them off and get all the grease to stay in the pan, because we're gonna need it for the next step, which is veggie time. Yeah, I can't really do this with one hand, so I'll be right back. No worries. All right, we got our garlic and peppers in the pan. The oil's gonna be hot as hell, so they're gonna cook real fast. You're gonna want to keep an eye on them. And once you know they're a little cooked through, we're gonna get some eggy. My favorite time of day is eggy time, and I can't wait for it. You guys ready to see some pro cooking tip strats? Here we go. A flippy. Whoa! Whoa! Did I get that? I don't even know if I had the camera pointed at the... Egg time! We're gonna scramble these fuckers. Crush them up. Yeah! Eggy! Eggy! This is fun. I'm having fun. You guys having fun? It's like I'm painting with egg. Look at that beautiful scramble, baby! Yeah! It's assembly time! Get your bagel! Get your bacon! Get your scramble! Put it together! Whoop. 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 I'm gonna need another hand for this one. Look at this fucking beautiful monster of a masterpiece. It's a monster piece. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I did forget to put this hot sauce in with the egg. I wanted it kind of mixed in there, but I forgot. So I'll just, toss it on top. No worries. You live and you learn. Cooking is all about improvisation. That's what me pappy always used to say. And let's just get like one drop, please. Just like one. I really don't need to have like a heart attack today. Just one would be. Oh no. Oh no. I've triple dosed. All right. That should be fun. No, please. Nope. We're good. We're good. It's good. We're fine.